Okay, back here, I changed the declaration of our list back to what it used to be. So numbers 1 to 6, and also added number 3 here, so we get 3 smallest numbers in this list. Note that we have one breakpoint here. Now I'm going to run the application in the debug mode. So F5. So we are here. Now this is a very simple application with only 3 methods. But often a real-world application consists of tens, hundreds, or even thousands of classes with a few methods. So sometimes when you're debugging, you might get lost. Now I'm going to introduce you to a window that shows you how you got here. This window is called Call Stack. So you can find it in Debug, Windows, Call Stack. So this window shows the order of methods that were called from the moment that the application ran up to where you are now. The item on top of this list is your current location, and the item on the bottom of this list is where you started. So we can double click here. That brings me here. Let me dock this window. I double click this one. So before we jumped into this method, this is where we were. Now I double click main, and this is how we started. So we went to this method and then ended up here, and finally in get smallest method. So if you get lost, remember the call stack window.